In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell USDT on Bybit. We'll walk through the full process using Bybit's P2P trading, which lets you trade directly with other users using your local currency, while Bybit holds the crypto in escrow for safety. I'll point out key checks along the way so you can move confidently from start to finish. Begin on the Bybit homepage and open Buy Crypto, then choose P2P trading. This is where you'll find peer ads to buy and sell. Make sure you're in the buy section, set the token to USDT, and select the fiat currency you want to use. Choosing the right currency ensures the prices and payment methods you see line up with what you actually have. Browse the list of ads and look for a combination of a competitive price, high completion rate, and solid user ratings. Check the trader's limits and the time window they give for payment so your amount and timing fit their rules. When you're happy with your choice, click Buy USDT to open the order. You'll see the seller's accepted payment method and any required reference details. Transfer the funds exactly as shown from an account in your name and include any payment notes if requested. Only pay within the time limit. After you've sent the money, return to the order page and click Payment Completed. This signals the seller that you've paid, and since Bybit holds the USDT in escrow during the trade, the seller can safely release it. Once the seller confirms receipt, the USDT will be released to your funding account on Bybit. You can check your balance there. If it takes a moment, don't worry, just keep an eye on the order page and use the in-app chat for polite, clear communication if needed. When you're ready to sell, head back to P2P trading and switch to the Sell tab. Filter for buyers who match your preferred price and payment methods, then enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. Choose how you want to receive the fiat payment and confirm the order with a buyer whose limits and reputation meet your needs. After the buyer sends the payment, verify that the funds have arrived in your chosen account in full. Only when you have confirmed receipt should you click Release Now to send the USDT from escrow to the buyer. This final confirmation protects you. Never release before you've actually received the money. That's the complete flow for buying and selling USDT on Bybit P2P. Follow these steps carefully, double check details at each stage, and you'll trade smoothly and securely.